Hello, my name is Michael Samuel Webb. I'm using Oracle's VM VirtualBox. I have three different VMs running. I have a domain controller, a server A, and a server B. I'm using Server 2016 Data Center, and in today's video we're going to create a server message block folder, which is a SMB folder, advanced folder, and we're going to be using the UNC run directory to access that folder using two different accounts, one John Wayne and one Bill Smith. So let's get started in our server A, inside of our server manager. Okay, inside of server B, we'll go to our file and storage, go to our shares, to tasks. We're going to create a new share. We're just going to do a quick share on server B. We want to give it our server B file. This is our server B path, UNC path. This will be our remote UNC path that we'll use to access this folder. Going to enable access-based enumeration. Under our customized permissions, we're going to disable inheritance. Inside of here, we are going to add marketing group inside of here. Made a mistake. We needed to check this locations. This needs to be the entire directory. Alright, here's our marketing. Okay, we're going to give marketing our modify, which if we untick modify, it gives us the right to read, write, list folder contents, and read and execute. Next we're going to add movies. And we are going to give movies a read and execute, which gives read and execute list content folders and read capability. Now we're going to go into our share. We're going to remove everyone. And inside of here we're going to add marketing. Always make sure that's your entire directory. And we're going to give them full control, which took it from just read only to read change, and basically full control in the share tab, on the share tab. Okay, I'm going to apply. Okay, next, and create our folder. Okay, now we have in our went into our notepad, and we have created some text. So we're going to open our share, our data 1 folder, share on server B. Open that up, and we're going to paste in our some text for server A to server B share folder. Now we are going to log in our server A as John Wayne, and we are going to go in our run, and we're going to use our server B data 1, run that folder. Alright, as it shows, we cannot access the folder using the UNC per John Wayne's account. So let's log out. And let's try Bill Smith's. Okay, so we were using Bill Smith's account to see if he could run using our things, and yes, he can. And he can edit. Unlike John Wayne, marketing group had full permission to access the folder and to make changes to the folder. And the roles that had to be added in were the file server resource manager and the file storage services, which is part of the files resource manager and remote server admin tools for creating the folder. Next, we're going to browse the directory console using the cd command and see if we can see the files. Sorry, CD. Just using the simple directory for Bill Smith, I'm not seeing the file, so no, we can't see it using this one. Let's try John Wayne's account. To use the C prompt because we couldn't access it, so we'll use our CD. Using our directory for him. No, we can't see anything because he does not have the administrative permissions to access the folder. Now we're going to log on to server B using Bill Smith's account. he's able to log on, and he is able to edit text because he has full permission. From the share folder. Now we're going to try to log on as Bill Smith onto our domain controller. Alright, we're not allowed to log on. We'll try once again just to see if it was a typo. And we cannot log on the domain controller using Bill Smith's account. Again, this has been Michael Samuel Webb, and on server 2016 data center, we have set up a SMB account, a server message block folder, SMB folder, and tried reaching that folder with two different accounts, John Wayne and Bill Smith. We found out that per our setting up the folder, the share folder, that John Wayne could not access the folder because of him belonging to the movies group, but marketing had full admin, so Bill Smith had no problems. Again, this is Michael Samuel Webb. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in class.